The 033-953 Regency Air Tube is a high-quality replacement part designed specifically for Regency wood stoves. Made from durable heat-resistant steel, this air tube supports the secondary combustion process by introducing a steady stream of air into the top of the firebox. It then combines with unburned wood gases and smoke, reigniting them to produce a hotter and more efficient burn. This not only reduces emissions, but also helps your stove burn cleaner and minimizes the risk of chimney fires. As an OEM part, it's made to fit perfectly in compatible Regency models, making it a reliable choice for maintaining the functionality and longevity of your fireplace. Whether you're replacing a worn-out tube or simply keeping your system running smoothly, the 033-953 is a worthwhile investment for any wood stove owner committed to safe and sustainable heating.